Welcome to Missick Cellars, our new tasting room in Boerne, Texas. It's been hands-on work, every detail carefully considered against our backdrop of more than 15 years in the wine industry. Just off the historic Hill Country Mile on North School Street, we've created a place that feels like coming home. Here, rustic charm meets refined elegance in our veteran-owned, family-friendly wine sanctuary. Bring the whole family. We even have a playground out back for the kids while you relax and enjoy our boutique collection of award-winning Texas wines. Our wines are serious about quality, but made without pretense, perfect for enriching meals and memories with family and friends. Come raise a glass with us at Missick Cellars, where old stories meet new beginnings. We can't wait to welcome you home.